Alright friends, it is bright and early this morning, just after 7, but we need eggs for breakfast, so we're doing chicken chores early this morning. Let's get into it. Ember, you're a taker all the time, huh? Really need to clean in the coop and mix up the bedding a little bit, but I don't like to do that. My daughter's on my back because I don't like her breathing in all that nasty air, so we'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, that is it for chicken chores this morning. Their food is good to go, and they still have plenty of water. We really just needed some fresh eggs, so we got them. Thank you, girls.